to view, add, and remove never sleeping apps in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care. Next, tap battery and then tap background usage limit. Now tap never sleeping apps. Here you can see the list of apps that have been put to never sleep. As a note, never sleeping apps will never turn off or sleep in the background, so you will always be able to use them. Next, to add an app to this list or to put an app to never sleep manually, tap the plus icon at the top right. Select the required app you like to put to never sleep and then tap add. You can see that the selected app has been added to never sleeping app list. Next, to remove an app from this list, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right and then select remove. Select the required app you like to remove from the list and then tap remove. You can see that the selected app has been removed from the never sleeping apps list. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.